Take a close look at the back of your smartphone, right next to the camera lens. You will find a tiny, mysterious pinhole that looks like a completely useless mistake. Many people think it is a reset button or a hidden sensor spying on them. But this microscopic opening is actually a brilliant piece of acoustic engineering. Without this little dot, phone calls in loud places would be absolutely impossible. Our modern world is incredibly loud. Traffic, wind, construction, and shouting crowds create a massive wall of background noise. In the early days of mobile technology, calling someone from a busy street was an absolute nightmare. The microphone at the bottom of the phone would pick up every single ambient sound around you, completely drowning out your voice in a wave of chaotic static. To solve this massive communication issue, smartphone engineers introduced a hidden system of multiple microphones. Most modern premium devices don't just have one microphone, they have three. There is the primary one at the bottom for your mouth, one at the top for speakerphone calls, and finally, that mysterious third pinhole hidden directly inside the rear camera module. This third microphone is the secret weapon of a technology called Active Noise Cancellation. While the bottom microphone captures your voice, plus all the surrounding noise, the rear microphone captures only the background environment. The phone's advanced internal processor then takes the background audio data, flips its acoustic wave completely upside down, and creates an exact inverted sound wave. In physics, this process is known as phase inversion. When two identical sound waves that are perfectly inverted meet, they mathematically cancel each other out to absolute zero. By injecting this inverted anti-noise directly into your phone call, the background environment is magically deleted. The person on the other end of the line hears nothing but your crystal clear voice. But noise cancellation isn't the only job this microscopic hole performs. It is also deeply connected to your video camera. When you record a video or shoot a cinematic film using the rear lenses, this tiny microphone activates to record directional stereo audio. It dynamically focuses on the sound coming from the exact direction the camera is pointing, giving your videos professional, rich spatial sound. It is a masterclass in modern industrial design. Companies like Apple and Samsung spend billions of dollars trying to make smartphones as thin and seamless as possible. Every single millimeter of space inside that glass and titanium body is extremely valuable. Yet engineers deliberately fought to keep this tiny hole on the outside, prioritizing acoustic function over pure visual perfection. So, the next time you look at the back of your phone, remember that the smallest details are often the most important. That microscopic dot isn't an accident or a spy camera. It is a silent acoustic guardian keeping you connected to the world. If you love uncovering the secret engineering of simple things hiding in plain sight, hit subscribe, and we will see you in the next history.